was lost in the dark, couldn't find my way. But somehow through the clouds I felt the light break. Every scar I wear tells a story I claim. I'm healing through the pain, healing through the pain. I know it's hard to let go, but sometimes you gotta fall to grow. In the broken pieces love remains. I'm healing through the pain. I'm finding hope in the silence. There's peace in